Okay, guys, welcome to this hidden gem, a wooden tiny house nestled in the heart of a lush green forest, and with its unique angular roof and large window. And this home blends seamlessly with natural surroundings, elevated a wooden stilts and featuring a charming wooden platform. It's perfect escape from the everyday hustle, surrounded by towering trees and an overcast sky. Let's step inside and explore the architectural beauty of this peaceful retreat. We are diving into a beautiful wooden tiny house that has this amazing lattice style window design and wooden panels on the exterior. And but it's not just about the outside. Let's talk about the interior because it's all about modern minimalism and clever design. Okay, from the clean modern kitchen to the loft bed with stairs, this tiny house has such a functional layout. It's small but feels super cozy and stylish with the white ceiling and some nice wood accents. I can't wait to break it all down with you. Let's jump right in. Okay, right away, I love the latest style windows on the outside. And they are such a cool design feature. Um, they not only look great, but I imagine they help with ventilation and light too. And those wooden panels just bring the whole thing together. The combination of wood gives it a warm, natural vibe, which is exactly what you want in a tiny house like this. And honestly, the house looks like it's just a part of the forest. It blends in so perfectly with the surrounding trees and nature. And it's modern, but in such a way that it still feels organic and connected to its environment. And now, let's talk about the interior. Okay, the kitchen is so clean and modern, and I have how minimalistic it is. You have got all the essential counter space, storage, and given a sleek sink and appliance, but it's not cluttered at all. The wooden accent on the cabinet and countertop add a bit of warmth which really balance out the simplicity. Okay, and check out this small dining table. It's the perfect size of a tiny home like this. It's really practical but doesn't take up much space. And I'm a big fan of space that manage to feel open without sacrificing function. And this doesn't this does it really well. Okay. Now, um, over here, we've got this small sofa, and it's the perfect little spot for lounging. Again, nothing too big, but it looks super comfy and fits the vibe of the house. Plus, you have got those wooden elements on the ceiling, which really bring everything together. Okay, and how about this loft bed with actual stairs? I absolutely love that. A lot of tiny homes go with ladders, but the stairs make the space feel a lot more practical and accessible. Especially if you need to use the area for storage as well. It also adds a bit of extra charm to the room, and don't you think? Okay, then honestly, the whole design of the space feel so well thought out. Even though it's small, every area has its own purpose. And the layout doesn't make it feel cramped at all. It feels like you could easily relax, cook, and sleep here without feeling like you were living in a closet. So, overall, this tiny house is a perfect example of how modern design can work in small space. The latest style windows and wood panels on the outside are gorgeous, and inside it's just so clean and functional. The love bed with the stair is an awesome touch. And small sofa and dining table make it feel like an actual home rather than just a place to sleep. And let's not forget that white ceiling, it makes the whole place feel a bit more spacious. And the wooden accent keep it cozy and grounded. This house is proving that simple modern design can make tiny living feel absolutely amazing. Okay, well, from the latest style windows and wooden panels on the exterior to the clean and minimalistic design inside, I can already tell this is going to be a color tour, a cool tour. Anyway, The bathroom is one of the space that easy to overlook in a small home. But this one definitely stands out. It's got everything you need: a clean toilet, shower cabin, sink and mirror, and even an exhaust fan to keep things fresh. And the wood extent on the ceiling, love it. Let's dive in and see how they've made this tiny space both functional and also beautiful. Okay, right off the bat, the first thing that catches my eyes is those lattice style windows. They are such a unique touch. I love how they are integrating into the design, adding some natural light to the space while keeping it private. Plus, the wooden panels on the walls give the room a warm, earthy vibe, which I'm totally here for. Okay, the design feels so harmonious with the rest of the house. It's amazing how they taken wood and made it feel so modern. You have got that natural look, but also a clean, polished feel that doesn't make the bathroom feel cluttered or old-fashioned. Now, let's talk about the essential. The toilet and shower cabin are perfectly placed. The space is small, but they have made it work in the best way possible. Everything's super clean and modern. The toilet has a sleek design, and the shower cabin is nice and compact, but still gives you enough room to move around. Okay, and then check out this sink and mirror combo. I love how the mirror is framed in wood to match the overall aesthetic and bright, but they have added a few wooden accents for some texture and warmth. It's really nice contrast that pulls everything together. I think that combination of white and wood is perfect for making the bathroom feel light and airy, but still grounded and cozy. Okay, and we can't forget about the window. This is such a unique feature in a bathroom. It's not only functional for natural light and ventilation, but it also just make the whole space feel more connected to the outdoors. I mean, imagine being able to look out at the lush greenery or trees while you are brushing your teeth or taking a shower. It's so relaxing. Okay, all right, let's wrap this up. This small wooden bathroom proves that you don't need a ton of space to create something beautiful and functional. The wooden panels, lattice window, and clean fixture make it feel cozy yet modern. Okay, then the wooden accent on the ceiling adds just the right touch of charm. The window brings in natural light to really brighten up the space. I'm just really impressed with how they've managed to combine modern amenities with a natural earthy feel. It's exactly the kind of bathroom you want in a tiny home. Stylish, functional, and serene. Okay, well, between the exterior and some of the interiors that I present just now only focus on the theme of material and color composition. And this doesn't mean that there is a correlation regarding the position of openings and synchronized layout between the exterior and interior also. However, this is the design inspiration that I present with the hope of being able to give all of you about the inspiration and useful ideas about the interior design and layout. And but what do you think about this tiny house in this episode? Would you love to live in this tiny house like this, or do you prefer something a little bigger? Let me know in the comment below. And always, if you enjoy this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. And thanks for watching until the end. And just wait for my next video in the next content. Bye bye.